What paying for that now? It's a brand new melon, I like.
So some people up in arms about the whole Popcaan Denyque treat. I realize some vloggers in kind of dissect one type of way. Say, yo, we're just going out a little bit deeper, okay? No stay over there. So, go watch a video, pull up a video and think. Notice how previously, before the whole mic tech situation go on, our positive vibes are going on that treat, good vibes. And I really see nobody, there's nobody among standoffish and screw up on them something. Everybody that will have vibes and enjoy themselves. Remember, it's a back to school treat after all, right? Now, we are use common sense. Meds or Popcaan and Denyque did obviously they have a nice little toasting session. And if we're not sure what that means they're going to go back and forth with the mic and sing their song or even sing each other's song and then something.
That's why they say we close them never clean and yo, we are really inspiration, you. Remember me tell you that. I want to them Denyque. Hold on, so man too easy to switch on. Hold on, no stop it.
So hold on. Nobody meant something on that video with us watch a while ago. Then not taking mic from Denyque a while ago. So hold on, so nobody say Popcaan share the dog from the time there. I can consider still. Again, positive vibration. You know, really see no bad energy. Now, some people are speculating, say, when Popcaan take the mic from Denyque, because him share him, but can't come grow up and keep bigger treat, and some people are saying the bad word and something. But before we even dive into any of them two, period. Go look for one to call mic grab for a second. Notice how Popcaan tap him on the shoulder or on the arm before in take the mic from him. Because when I like say I grab Popcaan grab from him, the next thing I'm realizing most people not really pay attention to. Popcaan never grab the mic out time and I never like one situation where like he say, yo, in body language say, yo, give me this. I never like that. But then I so caught up in that. It come like why people love drama of but meds all half time start sing. That's why I feel like say almost everybody wrong. Or most people wrong when they come on to dissecting the video here. First of all, go address the bad word situation. Here's a kid street. But you know what is very hypocritical? I don't even realize.
Pull back. Hey, where we done what we back on the thugs there. And they will pass as they fuck them.
A bad word alone finna sing at Kid Street or finna cuss at Kid Street, I understand. I think the whole point of shielding the kids from anything derogatory or any expletive nature of whatever kind was the fact say, yo, don't sing or say nothing in front of them what we don't want the youth them endorse. So for example, Denyque say our song, or the fuck them know about gangster, tax we collect kuna big boy sponsor. Even if I bleep out the bad word out of the song there, or out of the first line there. The rest of the song morally correct for the play or sing or endorse around children, around kids. But it's showing on it, like for most people now mention them something here and to only think of small things, But I'm still subliminally a program and picking them to feel like say, yo, all is well with them song there. It's like me always find it funny how ban bad word off a radio. Ban, but why make sense if you still go to endorse certain things in their music? Why make sense if you still go to sing about man about shot and who are get licking a face and you get me I say pop this, pop that and bro, if the bad word alone find offensive, like common sense real no come on again. So boom. So now that we established that, as I meant to listen, I feel like a lot of people are then quick to say the bad word thing. Nah, I say I couldn't that, you know. You see me say, we're not in a Popcaan authentic mind to know exactly what going on. As far as we can tell, or as far as we see, we never look like any have no tension or bad vibes prior to that incident. Now, can we take it a step further? Now, with the shade part right now, when I say, boy, Denyque, the shade Popcaan are really. Yes, one could consider that and take that as Denyque actual shade for Popcaan, but you really think that Denyque did so brazen, so brawling, so bare face. You say, yo, yeah man, me a forward for the dog tree, right so. And I right so, we are go this dog brawling in front of one people them on his own street. He must be in the bigger influencer, the bigger artist. I diss him right so. That makes sense too. No brother, the man caught up on the moment. You get me? I say, remember, when you're up on stage and a freestyle, a speech, right? You know, write it down or nothing, you have nothing prepared. You say the first thing will come to your mind, the first thing where you think sound good, the first thing what in your opinion makes sense, and you say, alright, this sound like that, you know, the best thing for right so. I don't think Denyque when you try shit Popcaan at all. The man just when they say, yo, motivation to the youth them. Brother, Denyque when you just sing one Popcaan song, if you say, yo, this may inspire me when I forward up before me turn artist and I'm still broke and hungry and thing and bro, everybody have to look up to somebody as inspiration, as motivation more while. All the man when just say, yo, youth, see me and unruly boss there. I paraphrase of course, but all the man actions and what I want to do and says. Brother, so we there now. Just like how one time I feel so I couldn't reach a Popcaan there. You see me I say, and I'm glad to know some reach us so now. And if you not, you know, put in the mind to it and do what I want the same way. Stay focused and dedicated. You can come put on treat to even bigger than this. I just basically that. The dog did I say? I don't think I'm really too tough to it. As me, I think now overthink situation. Now, when we talk about what Denyque do as a result of that.
What came for it's a brand new melon, alright?
I just know me say, yo, John, it come like nobody really think for themselves. It's like when I have to go off of feelings and the body and the emotions and especially as a man to brother, it don't look good. Because brother, Denyque, if you did feel so, in the moment, say you feel offended to the man's style and whatever, because obviously you never look like that. Right? Now I'm gonna say you didn't smile after Denyque mic from you, but the next thing, bro, when Popcaan take the mic from Denyque, he put on a next artist. Then yeah. You probably say, yo, that when cut prematurely and, you know, you could have do it now a better way or so. Yeah, an argument could be made there. But at the same time, too, let's say it was due to the bad word. But then to cuss. Then in that situation now, again, brother, nobody no bigger than psychology now.
Yeah, what the fuck they do about gangsta? Like cigarette in a bag one.
Pay attention to them body language. Look on Popcaan face when Denyque just sing his song. And I like as in cause about what he hurry up and he just take his mic out and you know. So I don't know if Popcaan could have permeate on the facts and permeate mean yo it has spread through in mind to seep through. He could have just made on the facts say yo Denyque when he said the line before that about keeping bigger treat than him, you know. Again, we now say Popcaan perfect or I couldn't that happen either. And again, these are just theories. When I make no sense, just sit down and hold on for them steadfast and I say, yo, I saw you definitely go on rare and thing and you never did it. Yeah, I don't know, I two man them. But look on Popcaan face and his body language and his reaction time. He never grab a mic as a man cause a bad word. He look like man all when the meds both one say before that. Maybe you in a female mind when they say, yo, I just seen this me a while ago. I wonder if I shade him that shade me. So maybe in a female mind in even, you know, he went a wonder to see him with. If I look on his face and his body language, and then after 10 because a bad word, he still never grab it right away. A little after that, he go tap him. If I did the bad word, me think the man not just grab it from him same time and say, yo, artist, remember that in a rare thing, or, you know? So it could be both, bro. It could be say, yo, you feel like Denyque shade him and then he use it as an excuse. But what Denyque forward for the media come do afterwards, brother, that just come off childlike and immature, brother. You see me, I say, but if it was a time and place, because when I see time and place for do that, again, you should have reacted at the moment if I see how they feel. Or being more mature, you could have chat to your dog one away and say, yo, artist, you know something really rich, you do that a while ago, like, you see me, I say, bro, or, you know, what go on a while ago, what I meant to say, you see me? But again, brother, this is a culture we're living as Jamaican people. Nobody no want to talk out nothing, brother. Nobody want to stand up and screw. And this bag of man stand up and screw and make up their face, brother. And then they said them a big man. The little pitney alone don't know ball and they sit and screw out their face because they don't know if they express themselves properly and they can't talk it and them thing like. Well, even too stressed out fight to fix still. But brother, like, as a big man and go on like some little pitney more wild dog. You see me I say? And people go hear this now and instead of really meds what me say and try understand. I say, boy, you know, say a true thing do and thing. People them go make their emotions fuel them now and go in a rage and some of them want to run off him out and thing and ray and cycle continues and ray and it is what it is. But really and truly though, bro, like Denyque, you shouldn't do that, bro. As I say, talk to you as a man now. You shouldn't do that. Forward for the media can do that for what? What that go do? Popcaan is still a bigger artist. As far as me see it, I feel him either and risk then gone to even though you don't really need it. So even if in the wrong situation, which you and him would know, not the rest of it, you automatically just give you a right to forward for the media can pull some stunt like that. You then go in a studio go voice upon a song, which again would still be, you know, in poor taste because where you got this him for. Talk to him one away, and if you talk to him one away now, and then him disrespect you, then we could understand the forward out and say, this is just, you know, in reaction to that, or you know. But bro, if you just forward out for the media, I can't do that. You buy a melon and dash it on the ground. So, so we do them, so we do boy, so you do melon, like where you go for this, bro? Like, what that do for you? And then, if anything, too, if he's a real man, not talk you Denyque, but in general, if he's a real man, yeah, watch this. All the show is you couldn't confront him on this, so where confrontation that we could have get from this, so you wait till I left and go on street when I go buy one melon and dash it on the ground. Who will see I come out with melon first? Oh, that's right, one girl, Denyque. A girls love throw shade. A girls love do some little thing for, you know, get a reaction or rile up your emotions and something. So why a man go take up a girl and follow with that and you fling a melon for the ground? Oh shit. Popcaan go do now. Damn. Bro, so come off, bro. Come off corny, dog. So I make something on the sit down and really think, but I must say, artist doing, bro, you have image, you know. So all that go help your image, all that go benefit you. Where you find them go do? Yo, dog, you see the artist now know this for nobody, dog. Man, buy a melon and jump for the ground, dog. Really? Come on, bro. Remember one when they say the treat. Remember what the whole consensus surrounding the treat afterwards. The mindset one of going into the treat. We gotta do this for the kids. We gotta show them say, yo, you can elevate yourself too. We can do it and we can do it too. As what you say in your speech, you can't come keep bigger treat than this too. So we're all of that gone. We're all of that gone, brother. You just go for sure say, yo, it's a chat in a moment and I don't really mean what I want to say. Bro, live by it now.